and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys this one ingredient salmon recipe. I was super excited to try this recipe out for myself. I've been hearing about this recipe on TikTok, on YouTube, almost everywhere, but I've never tried it out myself. And I know a lot of you guys know Old Bay, but this is the first time I've cooked with it and I want to give it a shot with some salmon. So if you're interested to see how I put together this beautiful dish, continue watching. But before we get started, I want to give a major shout out to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you want a shout out like them, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, let me know that you're new in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays for my Sunday vlogs. So if you want to be notified every single time I drop a video on this channel, be sure to click that bell notification as well. This is by far the quickest meal I've made to date. I've never used the least amount of ingredients to make a meal, so I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. Oh, and this recipe is done in the air fryer along with the roasted vegetables I made on the side as well. So again, stick around and watch how I made this delicious meal. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with making some salmon. I bought some salmon and I just cut it into 3 parts. And the only thing I use to season the fish is Old Bay. Again, I've never used Old Bay before. I was really excited to try it out myself. I didn't add any additional salt or pepper or additional seasonings for that matter, because I really want to taste for how the seasoning is by itself. Just as a heads up, I am using a very generous amount in the clip that I'm about to show you, but I did find Old Bay on the saltier side, at least for me. I know that a lot of people love Old Bay and it's, you know, popular for a reason, but for me, it was just on the saltier side, which I wasn't really expecting. But at the end of today's video, I am gonna be adding some lemon to balance the saltiness of the spice. After I've seasoned the salmon, I'm going to pop it in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 390, and that's all it takes. That's it, just 10 minutes. Like I feel like I should title this video dinner in less than 15 minutes, because all you need is 5 minutes or less for the broccoli bell pepper, which I'll get to next. But after I popped the fish in the air fryer, all that's left is to make a salad. So I just grabbed veggies that I had in the fridge. So as you know, I love pops of color. So I decided to roast bell pepper and broccoli. So all I did was chop up some broccoli, chop up the bell pepper, and put it in a bowl. And to the bowl, I added some olive oil, salt, and pepper, mixed it together, and it's ready to go into the air fryer. So once the fish is done, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna let this set off to the side. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna be adding the vegetables to the air fryer. So for the vegetables, I set the air fryer to 380 for about 8 minutes, and I was done. So this literally takes very minimal dishes, very minimal effort, thought. Like I said, it's the easiest meal I've made to date, so I really want to share it with you guys in case you wanted to switch things up at home. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. I don't know what to say. This was super, super easy. But I will caution you, don't be too generous with the spice, especially if you're not a fan of, you know, something a bit too salty, because it can get a bit salty. But it is delicious. I will add that. It is very delicious. It's only, for me at least, it's just on the saltier side. And it makes me think of like all of the videos that I've watched people like really go in on Old Bay. I'm just like, oh my God. It's a lot. Now I'm ready to plate our meal. So I'm just going to place our fish, and then I'm going to grab my roasted vegetables, add that in a plate, and then to finish off, I'm going to add some lemon juice. I typically do add lemon to the end of a dish if I'm cooking fish or chicken, but I especially needed it for today's dish because again, the spice, but it ended up tasting amazing. So I do really hope you guys try this out. Give it a shot. Let me know down below if you want me to create more videos like this. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It lets me know to make more meal idea videos for you guys. If you have any other meal idea recipes to use with Old Bay, let me know in the comment section down below as well. All right, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, be sure to click that subscribe button. And with that being said, I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next upload.